Your outbound is broken, and there's a good chance you don't even know it yet. Hey everyone, this is Rahul, founder and CEO of AI Xccelerate. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through something that completely changes how B2B outbound works. It's called Agent Jules 2.0. Stick around because by the end of this, the way you think about pipeline is going to change. SDRs quit after one attempt. AI tools sound robotic, and most messages ignore everything you already know about your buyer. The result, a dry pipeline and wasted budget. And the scary part, the two ways companies try to fix this aren't actually fixing anything. You either hire an SDR for 80 grand who takes 90 days to ramp and still drops the ball, or you use an AI writing tool your team ends up rewriting anyway. Neither scales. Neither wins consistently. So we asked ourselves, what would it look like to build something that actually works? That's where Jules 2.0 comes in. It isn't a tool. It's a 19-agent outbound system. It knows your brand voice, researches every prospect before writing a single word, runs full email and LinkedIn sequences, and handles every reply automatically. But how does it actually do all of that? It comes down to 5 steps. Know your buyer, build the list, research prospects, write, review, and send, handle replies, 0 to booked meeting fully automated, 19 agents working in sync so you don't have to. And the step that makes all of this possible, the research. Before Jules writes a single word, she runs 4 enrichment streams simultaneously: contact data, contact research, company data, and company research. She knows your prospect better than your best SDR before she's written a single word. And because every message is built on real context, it doesn't read like AI. But great research alone isn't enough. Every message still has to pass the bar. That's why nothing goes out without passing a quality gate. A strategist plans the approach. A writer crafts the sequence in your brand voice. A reviewer checks every message. A validator reviews the full arc end to end. Most AI outreach settles for 1 to 3% reply rates. Jules targets 5% and above, and once those replies start coming in, that's when things get really interesting. When a prospect replies, Jules takes over completely. Interested, she moves the conversation toward a booked meeting. Objection, she handles it on brand from your knowledge base. Question, she answers accurately, 0 hallucination, and 1 reply on email instantly pauses all LinkedIn touches. The whole system stays coordinated always. Now let's put all of this next to what you're spending today. You would most probably spend $80K a year on a human SDR, 90 days to ramp, 40 hours a week, and they still drop follow-ups. Jules 2.0 would cost you $20K annually, can be deployed in under 2 weeks, running 24/7, every touch, every time. And this level of output, it didn't happen overnight. It took a full rebuild. The previous version of Jules was where it all started. It was a single agent doing basic outreach, simple personalization pulled from ICP inputs, linear sequences that ran 1 step at a time, 1 enrichment stream, limited quality control, and replies. Those had to be handled manually by your team. It worked and people loved it. But we knew we were just scratching the surface of what was possible. So we went back to the drawing board and rebuilt everything. Jules 2.0 is now a fully coordinated 19-agent system. Instead of 1 enrichment stream, it runs 4 simultaneously. Instead of basic personalization, every message is built on deep prospect research. Instead of linear sequences, it runs full automated email and LinkedIn outreach together. Instead of manual reply handling, Jules now manages every single reply, interest, objections, questions all on her own. And instead of limited quality control, every message now passes through a strategist, writer, reviewer, and validator before it ever goes out. Same vision we started with, but this is a completely different machine. And the best part, you don't need a big team or a big budget to use it. If you're a founder still writing cold emails, a sales team stuck prospecting instead of closing, or a B2B company that needs pipeline without another big hire, Jules 2.0 was built exactly for you. So here's what to do next. Agent Jules 2.0 is live now. If you're curious to see how it works or want to get a feel of how she can fit into your business, head to book.aiaccelerate.com and book a call with me.